moving up and enjoy the music.
My name is Annika. Oh, it is beautiful here, yes?
Yes!
Well, I'll tell you how this place came to be. Many eons ago, there lived an enlightened Maharaja and Maharani of Anandapur whose hearts were one with nature. So much so that the Maharani turned her palace grounds into a magnificent aviary so she could live among the birds. I am a descendant of that queen, and I have returned to become a caretaker of these wonderful winged creatures. And now, this is my favorite part of each day, as the birds fly here to join me in a dance to welcome you. Spending time with birds like Cleveland. One second. Cleveland! Hello! That's okay, that's just silly. And with my bird friends, local bird experts, who dedicate their time to making Anandapur a welcoming place for birds from all over the world. It's one of the reasons I love to gather adventurers and wilderness explorers like you here. I am proud to be a senior wilderness explorer from the local Chidiya tribe, More Lodge. Oh, this is a mudra or a hand gesture. For Chidiya, which means bird, and More, which means peacock in the Hindi language. And today, we have another senior wilderness explorer visiting our gathering. He asked if he could bring his dog along. And since we are friends to all, I was happy to oblige. Adventurers, please welcome Russell and Doug!
Hello, my name is Russell, and I am a wilderness explorer in Tribe 54, Sweat Lodge 12.
Shabash, Russell! Tell us about your furry friend.
He's my dog. We found him in South America, and he's trained. Shriek boy! Speak boy!
Hi there.
Oh my, you can talk? How does this work?
Please do not touch that.
Hey, you're speaking Hindi? And English? More like Hinglish? Tell us your name, boy.
My name is Doug. I have just met you, and I love you.
I love you too, Doug. A good wilderness explorer loves all animals.
Just like our motto says.
Exactly! We say,
an explorer is a friend to all, be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
you all know this part. Everyone follow along.
The wilderness must be explored.
Now you.
The wilderness must be explored.
Caw, caw.
Caw, caw.
Wonderful job.
Hey boy, we made it to India. I think we'll get a travel badge for that.
Shabash, that is great. We have almost everyone here, except for one of my good friends. Like me, he is one of the caretakers of the birds who have made Anandapur their home. Adventurers, please welcome Scott!
Hello, everyone. Welcome. Namaste.
Namaste.
In my time here, I've learned to interpret the birds' natural behaviors to better understand them. I'm pretty much a bird whisperer. Hey, and you can be too. Have you guys had a great bird adventure before?
We did! With our bird friend, Kevin.
Who's Kevin?
She lives near Paradise Falls, a place lost in time. She goes gaga for chocolate.
Oh, wait a minute. You fed a bird chocolate?
No. You should never give a bird chocolate.
Oh, really?
Well, she must have been a very special bird.
Oh, sure, she's very special. None are like Kevin.
Oh, I do miss the bird named Kevin. Yes, I do.
Hey, I have an idea. Russell, what does this Kevin look like?
Oh, I know. Like a bird.
Good boy, Doug. Anything more specific?
Kevin has long legs,
She can run very fast,
colorful.
loud, and big.
Tall, fast, colorful, loud, and big? Sounds like you had an amazing adventure.
Yes, and now we're ready for our next bird adventure.
Well, great. I think we all are. Are you all ready to meet the birds that call this place home?
Oh boy, let me go get my camera for my adventure bug. Come on, Doug.
Look, it's Miles. Russell, Doug, hurry back. Hi, buddy.
Like Annika said, this is Miles, who is a trumpeter hornbill from Africa. And these birds are designed for extreme flying. You see, they can maneuver and dive in and around trees, chasing flying insects, their favorite treat, without losing speed.
I know. Would you all like to see just how Miles flies in the wild?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Wonderful, I'll help. We are going to create a forest in the wild right now. So, if you're seated at the end of the row in our lower center section, go ahead and stand up. Don't be shy. All right, now step into the aisle and face the explorer directly opposite you. There we go. Face each other. Now raise your arms up like this, like the curved branches of a tree. Nice and wide, like a tunnel. Great, we have our forest. Now hold it.
All right, now Miles is going to fly through your arms, so remain still and respect our feathered friend. But watch closely. When she leaves my hand, he is pretty fast. That's a pretty tight tunnel that way today. Let's see if maybe we can get those arms a little bit higher if you can make them. That's perfect. Nice tall trees. Nice job, buddy. Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
Folks, wait.
wait,
My
wait,
forest
wait,
is not
we're not done.
deforested. You guys gotta stand back up. Arms nice and tall. There we go. It's gonna come back through the same speed, okay? All right, Miles. They're ready for you now. You got a big canopy there. I can see you. Come on. You can do it. Nice job. Now you can take a seat.
Great trees. Let's give our adventurers on this side a chance. So, if you're seated at the end of the row, go ahead and stand up. All right, step into the aisle, face the explorer directly opposite you, and now raise your arms up, nice and wide, to form a forest. All right, great, we have our second forest. Now hold it. You can spread it out.
All right, if you guys are ready to see Miles fly again, how about you, Forrest? You think we're ready, I think. So, let's see if he wants to head that way. Miles, Cassie, one of your favorite trainers, is on the other end of this tunnel here. Perfect. You guys are doing a great job. You're so quick. Don't worry, it's only a 30-minute show. There we go. Wonderful job. Okay. One last time, coming back this direction, okay? You guys are doing a fabulous job. Don't stop now. All right, here we go. Come on, Miles, you can do it. This is the easiest flight. It's the one back home. It's your favorite. All right, Miles.
Maybe it's not his favorite.
Building the suspense. There we go. Nice job.
Shabash! Yes, let's give our trees a round of applause. Thank you.
Miles, you did an excellent job as well, and I don't have any flying insects, but I do have a tasty grape. Here, you can have a treat.
And that's why there are no flying grapes in Africa.
Miles, you're great out here as always, buddy, but you know exactly where you're headed. It's the same place you came from. It's going to be through that window, and you're going to take a left at that light, okay? It's green. Perfect.
And that was Miles on Trumpeter Hornbill. Aw, you did so well.
So good.
Oh,
Find the birdie. 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 Point.
Did we miss the birds?
not to worry, Russell. We have many more birds here to show you.
Yeah, in fact, you're right on time.
Really? I don't see anything.
Oh, well, you guys.
Where? I
Over there?
didn't see anything on the birdie.
Wow, he has a big beak, just like Kevin.
Yeah, he does. This guy is a brown hornbill from Africa.
My friend here, the small mailman, told me that I am from South America. See? Yes, sir. Yes, I am.
Well, ground hornbills are amazing animals. See, they get their name because they feed on the ground, and they use their bill with the strength of a sledgehammer, but they can also use it more gently, like using
let me
chopsticks
get my
to feed their
camera.
camera. Somebody, come back here quick. Dan, I need your help.
Oh,
Corey,
he's
need
an
better.
angry birdie.
I'm sorry, Russell and Doug. That's not an angry bird. It's a natural behavior for them to peck at their food when they forage.
I'm sorry about your camera.
My Wilderness Explorer's camera.
Are you all right, small mailman?
Kevin was fast, but not so wild.
Oh, yes. Very, very fast.
Well, being fast and smashing food are some of the behaviors birds learn to survive in the wild.
Yeah, there are birds that live around people. For instance, there are ducks. And here there are guinea fowl. And of course, around here, there are also chickens. Yeah, everybody loves chickens, right? Oh, I think I've seen our ladies come.
Hello, ladies! Look at them go.
Where are they going? Is the better question. Oh, they wanted to use the stairs.
Oh.
Hi, Taylor, nice to see you.
They're getting their exercise today.
Ah, I see what you did.
Chickens. I think he wants to play tag.
Well, you know what? Maybe that's where the chicken learned to cross the road.
Really?
I think they were that way, Taylor. I never actually saw them come all the way across. This is the way we get Taylor her exercise every single day.
Yes! Applause for Taylor!
I think they're in the back of the house there, Taylor. Take a left. This is like Marco Polo for chickens. The chickens are winning. I think they're ready to go that way, Taylor.
There we go!
Nice job, ladies.
Yes!
Look, chicken birdies. Oh, come here, you chicken birdies. Come here.
We'll be
Come
right
back, chicken
back.
birdies.
Doug, come back, boy.
I think they eat for more than they can handle. Chickens are fast and pretty smart. There are all kinds of birds here with special talents, and others with charm and personalities that make them so lovable.
Like parrots.
They grow on you.
But they don't make the best pets.
No, they can bite.
Scream.
And they poop everywhere.
Definitely not the greatest roommates.
No, very true. But some of these birds are so smart that they can mimic what they hear from the world around them. Just like
Groucho.
We have to show you this bird.
All right, welcome, Groucho. We'll let you finish that tasty treat. And of course, we like to have greetings around here for anybody new we're meeting. How about a nice big hello? Hello. There we go. All right, so Groucho used to live with a human family, so now he's learned to share his personality in some really interesting ways. Do you guys want to see if he'll show some of that off for us today? Yeah. All right, Groucho. All right, the neatest part about that is he doesn't just know the words to that one song. So Groucho knows the words to 7 different songs from beginning to end. Do you guys want to see if maybe he'll try another song for us today? Yeah. Okay, but first, you guys have been great adventurers. You deserve something a little extra special. So Groucho, how about giving them a great big kiss? Yeah, that's some good stuff, that kiss, absolutely. Okay. We said you could sing 7 different songs, and you sang Camptown Races. You can choose any of your other 6, your choice. You got it. There we go. You know what is so great about that? That literally is every single day.
Groucho.
He got paid a nice sized peanut for that wonderful behavior there, so he's enjoying that tasty treat. But he is out of here.
Everyone say goodbye to Groucho.
Now you know, that actually comes to think of a lot of other birds. There are different types of birds out there, and all of them have their own forms of mimicry, right?
Yes.
Like these girls right here, they're kind of playing their own game of follow the leader. Now, I'm not sure who the leader is. They might not know either.
Well, I know it's masala and waffles, so go on, ladies.
Poultry in motion, folks.
That was a good one.
That was a good one. You can take that one home.
Oh,
Be my friend. Oh, please, please be my friend. I am back now from tracking chickens.
so were the chickens fast like Kevin?
Kevin's much bigger. She could outrun them.
Okay, well, how big is Kevin's wingspan?
Wingspan. I know that. It's how long it is from tip of wing to tip of wing.
That's right, Russell.
So how big is Kevin's wingspan?
Huge, like this big.
There are birds with much larger wingspan.
Oh, like the albatross, the largest flighted bird in the world. Its wingspan would be like Annika and myself saying fingertip to fingertip.
Wow, that's big, but I'm pretty sure Kevin's much bigger.
Oh, yes, that bird Kevin is much, much bigger.
Oh, really? Like that bird?
Ah, a dinosaur!
Scary birdie, scary birdie.
No,
Don't wait for me!
you guys, she's not scary, just big. Oh, come on, don't judge a book by its cover.
Don't you mean don't judge a bird by its feathers? It's a bird joke, folks.
Really? I'm just gonna wait here to see if they'll come back.
Well, please meet our Andean condor. Her name is Sweetums, right?
Yep. She was away for a while.
Now, she does have close to a 10-foot wingspan. Check this out.
Wow. No wonder she was a dinosaur.
Yeah, it's easy to understand why, right? And honestly, these birds are incredible. Largest member of the vulture family, and because of that, they eat things out there in the wild other animals don't want to eat. So in a way, you can call these birds nature's recyclers. Couldn't you imagine a world where there's a lot more recycling going on?
Guess it's nap time for old Sweetums.
And that's our Andean condor.
I don't want to give up on Russell and Doug, though. I hope they'll come back.
I think they will.
Think so?
I have a good feeling about that.
I do not like the scary birdie.
There's nothing to be afraid of, Doug. Remember, a wilderness explorer is friend to all.
That's right. And all animals are friends to us. If you appreciate them, they will show you just how wonderful they are.
Oh, show me the birdie.
Oh, one of our favorites around here is the crowned crane. Meet Fraser. Fraser Crane.
He is just one of the many birds here that connect us to a world of stories and adventures.
Fine. Say hi, Doug.
Hi there. I like the birdies.
Aw, and they like you, Doug. The great crowned crane is the national bird of Uganda, a country in Africa where they're practically royalty with that tall golden crown. Can't you just imagine them flying over the plains of Africa?
I like the birdies.
Hey, do either of you two want to try to feed Fraser?
I do.
Go on. Yep.
That's funny, Russell. Now, and this bird doesn't really have hair. Those are feathers on top of his head. Even all the way down to those beautiful eyelashes are going to just be feathers. But you know what? That was Fraser Crane.
Oh, that's a very friendly bird.
Well, next, you're actually going to meet a bird from South America with a behavior that looks an awful lot like hopping.
I have not seen a birdie hop before.
Well, if anyone can, a toucan can. All right, well, meet our adventurers that are volunteering to set up the perfect hopping environment for our feathered friend. Who do we have?
We have Christine and Anthony.
Welcome, you two. Now, you all might not realize this, but toucans are thought to be magical creatures.
That's right. The indigenous people in South America say that the toucan can send messages between the living and the spirits. They even immortalize in the night sky in the constellation Tucana.
All right, well, let's meet our toucan friend. There he is. His name is Sunny, being joined by one of his favorite trainers, Katie. All right, so you two, my adventurers.
Cool beak.
It is pretty cool, Russell. Now, with your arms, stick them straight out in front of you like nice strong branches, shoulder width apart. That is wonderful. All right, make sure we're standing shoulder width apart. I think we're ready to go. Let's bring him on down. Come on, buddy. Oh, don't worry, don't take offense. We're going to do this again, hopefully, and see if maybe you can hop back that direction as well and go through all these arms. There we go. Keep it moving, and there we go. Nice job, guys. Thank you. Now, this is my favorite part, watching Sunny use his tiny wings to flap as hard as he can to get over that wall where the hand is waving. Yeah, that's our stagehand, folks. See you later, Sunny. How about a round of applause for our adventurer volunteers? Look at that, you two. Great job.
What a cool bird.
Oh, that is a good and smart birdie.
Well, next we actually have one of my favorite birds. In fact, it's probably my favorite animal. It's this one that definitely...
Looks that.
Oh, yeah. The bald eagle. A symbol of pride for the United States of America. Everyone, meet Hope.
Bald birdie?
Oh no, bald eagles aren't actually bald.
Well, that's right, Russell. They get their name from an Old English word piebald, meaning white head.
What amazes me is that she looks so majestic.
Well, yeah, she's also inspiring too, though. Not long ago, the bald eagle was placed on the endangered species list. Then, through conservation efforts, all of us played a part in helping their populations to recover. Well, I'm happy to say, the bald eagle is no longer an endangered species.
Cool story, right?
Thank you, Hope. And now, I would like to introduce my favorite feathered friend, the peacock. In ancient mythology from India, a story is told that once the tail feathers of Maud Peach were dull, but in gratitude for the more protection of the people, the peacock was given his beautiful iridescent feathers. During molting season, peacocks lose their feathers, but they will come back beautiful and strong. So now, as the national bird of India, the peacock is the symbol of pride, protection, benevolence, joy, and humility. That is why I am delighted to share this beautiful creature with all of you. I call him Nabil, which is a very noble name. Not only is peacock More in Hindi, but More is also the name of my Wilderness Explorers Lodge.
What a beautiful birdie. A very, very beautiful birdie.
Aww.
Wow, this has been a great bird adventure.
Hey Russell, did you know there are literally thousands and thousands of bird species all over the world? And you really don't have to go that far to find them. See, birds can be found in our own backyards or even our local parks back home. And to get you started on your next adventure, just download the Nature Passport app.
Great idea. Ask any of our Wilderness Explorers troop leaders for more information. So, whether it's a Kevin bird, or an eagle, an owl, toucan, or peacock, You'll discover birds and other animals with incredible stories. And discovering their story is just the beginning of your adventure.
Hey, Russell, check out that bird up there.
Ah, that's a cool bird. Get a picture of it for me.
It's called a taraco. Can you dance around like one?
Can you?
Yeah!
Woohoo!
I too can run around like the birdies.
Hey, don't forget about the eagle owl over here.
Hey, adventure is out there.
Oh, so many birdies. I want them all.
Like Doug and Russell, we can have our own adventure any day. Nature and all of its wonderful creatures are all around. All we have to do is look up.
Oh, chicken birdies again. Oh, I love chicken birdies. Come here. Oh, come here. Be my friend. Be my friend. Oh, I love chicken birdies. Oh,
The
I
wilderness
love them.
must be explored. Bye!
Bye, Russell. Oh, we'll see you later at the Wilderness Explorers Clubhouse, right?
That's right. Oh yeah. Wait up, Doug.
Well, for now, thank you for spending time with all of our feathered friends here today.
And until we see you again, like birds in flight, let's go. And have a wonderful next adventure. Goodbye.
Joining us for a great bird adventure.